Hey everybody, this is Oscar Esparza, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's get started. We just got this today. I just actually received it like right now, so I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys how it looks. So packaging is just a cardboard box. This is what we need, right? So it looks like I got the gold one. So as you can see here, 12 Pro Max, blah blah blah. No plastic. So let's just get this taken care of. Boom, boom. Fastest unboxing ever, right? Boom, and there it is, and it's glory. Look at this. Oh. So here's the back. The side's so shiny, real greased up, and then the front. And I'm actually gonna have to come back in a second. I'll have a screen protector, so I'm gonna put it on right now while it's clean. But in the box, all it comes with is just probably the instructions, Apple sticker, SIM ejector tool, and a USB-C to lightning cable. Other than that, it's a pretty simple thing. I guess in the meantime, I can show you the differences, you know, because it does feel a little chunkier, right? So you can see here, it looks like it's a little thicker, but you can definitely see the camera bump. It's definitely sticking out more than the old. This is the 12, this is the 13. So it's a little thicker, bigger camera bump, and I'm gonna show you guys the different notch too in a second. Let me put the screen protector. Yeah, hello everybody, it's Oscar again, and I'm gonna just show you guys. I'm gonna finish off the video now that I actually put the screen protector on. Just waiting for this phone to turn on. I'm gonna show you a little difference between size comparison between the new one and the old one, right? So let's check it out. So right off the bat, here's what you see, right? So you can see the notch is actually pretty small, and then the camera, looks like the camera was repositioned here. So instead of being on the right side here and not on the edge, this one's on the edge, and smaller speakers on top. But other than that, it looks pretty cool, guys. Yeah, I mean, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll have more content.